Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Instagram on Muzz. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Muzz app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in into your Muzz account. Now on your screen, you can see options like Marries, Explore, Chat and Menu. Go to Menu. Then you can find Edit Profile option at the top of your screen. Now tap on it. Once you do that, you have to scroll down and find that Connect Instagram option. Select that. Then tap on Connect. You have to make sure you read the prompt. Then tap on Connect. Then it's gonna take you to the interface where you have to log in into your Instagram account by giving in your username, phone number or email address and password. Then tap on login, then give permission. And guys, that's it. That's how you connect your Instagram on Muzz. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.